Waffles flip, flip, flip. Golden and warm, syrup to dip. Crispy on the outside, fluffy inside. Have it with fruits on the side. Let's write the letter W, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital W with peak so high. Lowercase w like waves nearby. W is for waffles, flip, flip, flip. Learning letters with a cheerful skip. Top them with fruit or eat them plain. Waffles bring smiles again and again. With berries and nuts, they taste just right. A balanced meal should be eaten every night. The letter W is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital W with peak so high. Lowercase w like waves nearby. W is for waffles, flip, flip, flip. Learning letters with a cheerful skip. Waffles are warm, they bring delight. Let's write the letter W just right. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter W is next in our ABCs. Capital W with peak so high. Lowercase w like waves nearby. W is for waffles, flip, flip, flip. Learning letters with a cheerful skip.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.